Hello, so we are back. Thursday morning, and we have a gaming laptop to fix. It's kind of old one, i5 and NVIDIA GTX 660, but has to be fixed, you know. So let's see. We have a charging port here. Let's see if we can figure it out before we open the laptop. Yeah, we have the power supply. We have like 20 volts there. Let's take the ground from the USB, plus from the charging port. Yeah. Charging port on the middle and pressing the power button, and it's taking no power, nothing. Yeah, actually I can see it's taking like 0.1. Huh? Yeah, once. Okay, you can't see, or maybe you can. uh, Check the light, check that light. You can see the light flashing on the current. Probably you can't see it. So the current is flashing. Let me raise the current. Oh, okay, I raised the current and it's not flashing anymore. Power on, and nothing happened. Let's lower the voltage, 19, and we can see it's taking like 10 milliamps. You can see on the that's mean probably my 3.3 volts power supply it's up, but it's not reacting pressing the power button. So yeah, kind of weird fault, strange. I haven't fixed this model before, so I'm not sure what how it's supposed to be open and what we can expect inside. Well, let's try to fix it. This is an Asus G46v 64V. The screws are like the PlayStation screws. Most likely probably some super I/O issue, because if the 3.3 volts power supply is up, does mean my 19 volts power rail is present, right? We have a screw here. So very possible we cannot fix this one. It's a super I/O issue, yeah. But we can try, Who knows what it's inside. Okay, the keyboard. Okay, the keyboard. Let me unplug the keyboard. I unplug it. So the keyboard is out. A lot of dust inside. Especially here on the back, you can see the dust. Let's try to reset the BIOS, but I don't think, because this is an old laptop, and the old laptops, they don't have a problem with the BIOS. Oh, okay, sorry, let me unplug the battery. Because if you reset the BIOS with the battery plugged in, it will not get reset. So we reset the BIOS. Okay, let's try and trigger the power by ourselves, not with the keyboard. Yeah, let me plug the charger. We need a charger. I found one. So we plug the charger. Now let's get a multimeter. Let's try to find a 3.3 volts. Oh, the keyboard connector is broken. That can be the reason. Let's try to find the 3.3. And the 3.3 is there, and I just touch the pin and the laptop comes on. I seen it on. Oh, it is. Look, it's loading the Windows. Crazy. So look at the. I didn't break it. It was like that. It was like that. I will show you. And probably by mistake I short some pins there, and the laptop comes on. And probably I short this pin, which has a test point, which probably is the power on. But look how the pins are. So it's broken. Oh. How we can fix this? How we can fix it? You know what we can try and do? Let me find the right tool. I don't have the right tool. Well, let's push those pins down. Yeah. Let me try and plug the keyboard. Oh, look, the pin. There's clearly someone worked here. Look at the pins. So the pins are the pins are broken there. Someone worked here before, you know. You can clearly see they mess up with this, with those pins. Okay, now they are looking fine. Let me see what we can do. Laptop is pressing the power button and it's coming on. Can't believe. Now important is to see if the keyboard is working. Okay, it's on and it's loading the Windows. Let me power off. On again. Restart this PC. So the keyboard is working, right? The touchpad it is plugged, but doesn't look like it's working. No, the touchpad is not working. The keyboard is working, but not the touchpad. No, okay, that's bad. Because the touchpad is coming through say cable. Yeah? So probably some of those pins are from the touchpad. The keyboard is working. Or maybe it's disabled. No, it's not working. It's not working. So the touchpad, this is the touchpad and it's coming here. Then we have this cable. Here the cable is good. Now we can fix this cable. I can, you know what I can do? I can cut it. I'm not sure if that will fix the problem. I can like use a scissor and cut the cable. Yeah, probably that's what I will do. Maybe not a scissor, maybe I'll use my surgical cutter. Can I do it? Bad idea, I should use a scissor. Let me find one. One second. Serious? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, you know what I will do next? I will use this damage connector. Okay, one second, it's not cut straight. I will use this damage one here on this side, yeah? Or I can't do it. Yeah, I should be able to do it. Okay? This here and this on the board. I'll use this on the board. Let's see now. Let's plug the charger. It's coming on, that means the cable is fine. This is an easy job. Easy. Probably the customer opened the laptop to clean it or who knows, and he broke that connector. I still can't see the mouse pad working. And the laptop is freezing. Why? Why the laptop is freezing? Let's see. And the mousepad is working, you can see it. Look here. Now let's check the keyboard. Probably has some hard drive issues. Because otherwise I can't see why this computer is freezing. One second, the computer is not frozen. Only the mousepad. Because I disable it, right? Oh yeah, and now it's working. Okay, good. Now let's check the keyboard. It's working. It's working. So the keyboard is working fine. The touchpad is working fine. You know what I will do? I will use some hot glue to stick the cable there properly. So in this way the customer it will not be, or I should not do it. Yeah, I should do it. You can still open, but you have to take the cable from the keyboard side. Let's use a little bit of hot glue to be sure that cable is not moving from the place. Perfect. Perfect. Let's test it one more time. Let's see. Pretty easy job this time. And the touchpad is working. And the keyboard is working. Everything is perfect. Okay? An easy one. I should find a proper job here. Wow, this is full of dust. You know, we should ask the customer for a proper cleanup job on this laptop. So how is everyone? Everyone is good? How the learning process is going? Hmm? You know, you'll learn from any job, every job, even if it's fixed or not. Because even from a fail, you get a lot of knowledge. Carry on in the future with using that. So I don't think it's just you know, you are sad you didn't fix something, but you miss the point. Actually, you didn't get the money, but you get the knowledge. Knowledge is more valuable compared with the money. Do you think I'm fixing everything? No. Just because you don't see the videos with me not fixing something doesn't mean, you know, actually I'm fixing every job. No, we have a lot. There are jobs which, you know, try to fix them, and you go, you find a fault, and you fix that fault, and it's still not working, and you find something else, and something else, and at some point you just say, you know what, I can't carry on anymore. Okay? Anyway, this is done. I'm happy this is fixed because it's a friend from a guy from the shop, from Valley. Yeah. And yes, his friend laptop. Let's test it one more time to be sure it's working. Touchpad is working, keyboard is working. Okay, I'll stop now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and probably see you on the next one. Probably next week. Bye.